There's my pile that I'm going to have to retrieve. I couldn't snap that Poseidon off of that pipe. I didn't want to come down here yet, but it looks like I'm already down here. Whew. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to come off by itself. It's going to take some force to get that one off of there. Oh, what a pipe. Oh, whew, darn. That's solid. Whew. Anyway, while I'm down here, we got this bicycle here too. Oh, these things are heavy. They're heavy and a nuisance to get out of the water, but that's why we do it, right? Looked like it was a nice bike at one time. Then we got some other kind of doodad here that's kind of heavy. Oh, what in the world? What in the world is that? Is that part of an engine? Intake manifold? Part of one? I don't know. Looks like we got a piece of rebar down here or two. Bolt. Oh, stick, I guess. Okay. Well, we'll get that up closer, and then we'll tune in later. County Seat Adventures, cleaning her up. Hope many pieces at a time.